The power we have to create the lives we want to live through visualizations is incredible. Here's the deal. We're already doing it. It's just unconscious for the most part. Every time we imagine something through our mind's eye or feel strong feelings towards something, we are actually visualizing it. For instance, whenever we think about having a conversation with someone, we may think, I'll say this, and then they'll say that. This is visualizing, or imagining how we think things will go. The thing is this, though. The majority of the time, we're visualizing from our unconscious beliefs. And if we're fearful about something, then we may be imagining the worst. I'm sure you've heard the phrase self-fulfilling prophecy. This means that we have imagined or visualized something so much so that it became true for us. Whatever we believe about, if we consistently visualize and have strong emotional feelings about it, then it will come true. The main reason that we don't get what we want is because we're often unconsciously focusing on what we don't want to experience. So if I'm single and I want to be in a relationship, I might get frustrated, jealous, or angry every time I see a happy couple together. Our feelings play a huge part in this as well. What we're doing is experiencing the opposite of what we want to feel and experience in our life, so our subconscious gives us more of that. Now, it's okay to feel these feelings, but we have to contain them to certain times. If we feel angry and frustrated consistently enough, then that's what we are visualizing all the time. And by repeating these thoughts and feelings, we are telling our subconscious that that is what we want to experience, even though in our conscious mind what we really want to experience is the exact opposite. We must change our focus to what we want to experience. There's a great quote I love that says, "Where attention goes, energy flows." This means that whatever we place our attention upon is what will grow, and we'll experience more of it in our lives. For instance, have you ever wanted to purchase a new vehicle, and then all of a sudden you start seeing it everywhere you go? This is the perfect example of the phrase, "where attention goes, energy flows." You keep thinking about the new car, how cool it is, and how great you'll feel in it. You spend time looking it up on the internet and finding out more about it. Looking at photos, you tell your friends how much you like this car, how you're so excited to buy one. All of this energy that you're putting in the direction of this new car. And that is why you begin seeing it all the time. Now, there is a caveat in why it works so easily for a new car, not something like a new lover in our lives. Most of us don't have too many old competing beliefs about getting a new car, but most of us do have lots of unconscious beliefs about being in love. If we have beliefs like I'm too old, or relationships are hard, all the good ones are taken, how difficult will it be to find a great relationship? Pretty difficult. The simple solution is that we must rewrite our old programming to the beliefs and true vision for our life that we want to have. Visualizations are one of the most profound and effective ways of changing our old beliefs. There are a number of steps to creating an effective visualization, but once we complete, we just spend time focused each day repeating it in our mind's eye. And what this does is it retrains our subconscious mind to overwrite our old competing beliefs. Now, most Olympic athletes use visualizations to maintain their competitive edge. They imagine themselves performing the exact skill they need to win. If it's a snowboarder, their practice includes visualizing themselves going down a specific ski hill and making all the necessary turns in their head. Now, many famous celebrities, like Arnold Schwarzenegger, Oprah, and Jim Carrey, all talk about using visualizations for their ultimate success. Arnie used it for building muscles. Oprah used it to imagine herself out of her difficult childhood and into the life she's living now. And when Jim Carrey was a struggling and broke actor in Hollywood, each day he would spend time visualizing himself talking to high-powered directors and producers. Now, we know what's happened in each one of their lives, and they credit a lot of their success to using visualizations every day. From high-level athletes to incredibly successful stars to scientific studies, it's no secret anymore that we can all use visualizations to create our dream life.